going to see this afternoon, or this whole day actually. So what we did, we had a group of people together and we first thought of, okay, what do we want to see? Because we're not able to see the whole actual blueprinting together. So we focused on a few processes. We said, okay, for us, bol.com, we feel that the physical receipt process is a really important part. And why? Because every day we receive a lot of things and we need to check if everything is okay. And we want to do that on pre-advised shipments. Second part is the physical put-away process. We want to see what the possibilities are over there. How is the operator instructed or guided through that process? And at the end, and in the outbound process, we said, okay, we want to look at not only the physical part, but also the preparation of the picking. Because we feel that there's a lot of logic also at this moment we use to combine the perfect pick batch or pick task for the employees. So what are the challenges over there and what is possible within the standard application? And after that, when the pick batch has been created, we also want to see how is it then executed. So as Harm said, we don't have the customizations in there, but we also see a lot of processors or things that are already standard in the system, but we just don't have time to show them all today. So we've selected things, and we will also try to make clear what is in scope and what is out of scope. And there you can also see the customization. So when something is out of scope but is standardly available, I will mention it. So first time we'll pay a little bit more attention to it, so you understand the slides that you will see. And we can't link a printer, a physical printer. So we sometimes already printed things out, prepared things, or we can show it on the screen because we haven't got a physical printer at the moment linked to this environment. So this is also out of scope. What we said, we have also some posters printed out. What we'll try to do during the presentation is show you where are we in the process. So we said we started with loading because we want to focus at receiving, but for that you need some input. So there are some supporting processes, so to say, to show you at least the complete inbound flow and also the outbound flow. So these we will see throughout the presentation as well. Second thing, most important thing we will use during the presentation is a layout of a warehouse. Some may find it, see similarities to a current warehouse, but we focused on the areas. So we said, okay, zone 1, in this case we use it as an oversized area, but just to show you, you can put the warehouse into zones, and oversized is a means to fill it, but you can also put other things. It's just what you think is a zone. And also the receiving part, so the receiving stations, you can, there are a lot of receiving stations in there, the packing, etc. But we try to focus on the areas where the process is being played. So let's start for inbound. Any questions up to now? Everything's clear? Yeah? Okay.